Hello guys, welcome to the course. In this lesson, I'm going to discuss how to create a text animation effect in Adobe Premiere Pro. First, create a text using the type tool, or from here you can create legacy title. But we will use type tool. If we scale up this and reposition it, and then we apply linear wipe effect. Here you can see we have applied linear wipe effect in the effects control panel. After that, we'll insert a keyframe for transition completion. We'll put the value to 100%, and then after some gap we'll insert another keyframe. We'll put 0 into the keyframe. And we can change the color of our text. We'll scale up more of our text. There you can see there is a nice text animation effect we have created. And if we change the wipe angle to 270, the wipe will be from left to right. So that's how we can create a text animation effect in Adobe Premiere Pro. We have just shown this as a sample by linear wipe effects. You can use any of the effect from the effects panel which you like. So that's it for today. We'll meet up with a new topic in next lesson. Thank you.